Hello everyone. So for this video, I'm going to teach you how to download your trading history report from MT5 trading platform. So here I have my MT5 trading platform, and as you can see, I am currently on the toolbox, no, at the bottom part of the MT5 trading platform. For us to be able to download our trading history, we just need to go to the history tab, and then actually here's the history, but what we wanted to do is to download it convert it into Excel file, or it can also be converted into HTML. So we have two options, no? So let's have click somewhere inside the history tab, and then you can actually customize your period, no? So you can choose all history, last 3 months, last month, or custom period. Now in my case, I will just use all history, no? So right click again, no, and then go to report. This is what I'm saying a while ago. So we have two options. You can actually convert it into Excel file, or you can actually convert it into an HTML file. So first, let's try the HTML file, or rather the Excel file. And as you can see here, it is actually asking you where you wanted to save the Excel file. So by default, the name is report history. So I wanted to save it on my desktop. So let's click save. It will have the download, no, for some time. And then after that, here it is. Okay, so we have all the trades that happened here. And then the good thing here is actually we have the summary statistics, no, at the bottom part of the Excel file, just like this one, no. So this is my summary. So I have deposited the deposit here, and then withdraw, and then deposit again, no. That's why the graph looks like this. But the important thing is it is somehow uptrend. Okay, so we also have the profit factor, recovery factor, drawdown. Every statistical trading metrics can be found here. So that is for the history report that is on the Excel file. Okay, so let's just save this. That is how we download the trading history and convert it into Excel file. So for the HTML, just click inside the history, no, right click, and then report, and then choose HTML or Internet Explorer. Okay, and it will ask you where you want it to be saved. I'll just choose the default one, which is the desktop. Now just click save. It will save the report. It will load for some time, and then here we have it. No, it is now on the browser, no, and almost same report with what we are seeing on the Excel file. Okay, so basically that's how we download MT5 trading history report into Excel file and HTML file. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.